Okay, Corey, we're almost there.
So this would be our special mission.
Mission?
Yeah, missions are fun.
Well, technically, this will not be...
The firehouse? Wow. Do we have to put out a real fire?
Oh, no, Corey. This is totally mission super fun training afternoon.
I'm in.
So let's warm up. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Sprint and back. Obstacle races.
I love races.
Obstacle courses and puddle jumps.
I can't swim.
The final obstacle. Hop, hop, hop. Well, I think we're ready for the firehouse. Just get ready in position. Ride to the top. And slide down to the fire hydrant.
My turn. Ready? I'm sliding. Fantastic.
Mission fun accomplished.
And now, live from Bumperton Hills, who wants to be a superhero? Me! Oh, Chrissy, this is not an actual question.
Me, superhero!
Okay, Chrissy, to join the league, there are 3 tests to pass. First is speed. Speed!
Well, I think we're good on that.
Let's move to test number 2.
Invisibility powers to the pantry.
Oh, Chrissy's not here.
Absolutely. I cannot see her anywhere. She might be... Ta-da!
What? The rules say...
Delicious move.
Invisible!
Now the final test. The rescue. You will have to rescue us.
'Cause we're lost?
Lost? Find? Nom 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 nom.
Hey, Chrissy.
Wait for us.
Haha, found you! Superhero!
Ha 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 ha. Well, Chrissy.
You sure are a superhero.
Should we retake test 2?
Hi, I'm Corey Carson.
Hi, I'm Corey Carson.
Chrissy,
Chrissy,
come back here.
come back here.
Chrissy, are you copying me? Probably not.
Probably not.
Hey, you are copying me. Well, you can't copy me if drive on 2 wheels.
Dive O2E.
Not around the tree.
Around the tree,
As fast as me.
as fast as me.
Grr, well, you can't copy me if I go to school. They won't let you in.
Let you in.
Enough is enough, Chrissy. You can't copy me if I'm doing nothing. Are they sleeping? Not for long. What? Ah! Well, after all, it's not so bad. Yeah, time to go home.
No, time to keep dancing. Haha, gotcha.
Okay, Chrissy, I think we found it. Our perfect spot to rehearse.
Rehearse.
Ready, set, dance. Come on, Chrissy, give me a bit of spinning tires. A little bit of brakes. Let's get rolling. And you turn.
I turn.
Aha, Chrissy, I think we're almost ready for the Chrissy.
Uh-huh.
Hey, let's restart. Oh no!
Electricity?
Oh, Chrissy, you're a genius! Let's fire up this dance floor. Oh, maybe too much. We're lost. Will we ever make it to the show if we cannot train?
Train!
Oof.
Train?
Did someone say train? All aboard! It's time to hop on the roll train. Tonight's special guests includes the Carsons. Corey and Chrissy serving a special on the road live performance. Just for our special audience.
Woo!